Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be making this. Now this is one of the Lego Creator series and of course it's got 3 different models that you can make, and I'll be making the star of the show, which is this rabbit and this carrot, but I also think the cockatoo looks equally quite good, and maybe down the track I might actually rebuild it and make the cockatoo as well. So anyway, let's get this stuff out of here so you can see what you've got in here, and then I'll show you the finished product. So the first things out of the packaging are the 3 manuals for the 3 different models that you can make in this set. And the first one of course is the cockatoo, which I probably will make down the track because I quite like that. You've got a seal, and then finally you've got the actual rabbit with the carrot, which is the one that I'm going to make today. So they're the first things out of the box. Next are the 2 packets which contain the bricks for all the 3 different models, but we're only going to be building the rabbit and the carrot today. So anyway, let's have a look at the rabbit now. Okay, so we've finished the rabbit. There wasn't much left in the materials for building the rabbit, which is pretty good. And the actual rabbit itself is really quite nice. As you can see, you've got quite a bit of movement in the head. You can adjust the ears and the legs, and it's really quite a nice little model from Lego, this one. The other 2 in the kit are the seal and the cockatoo, and I'd probably down the track build the cockatoo as well because I think that's pretty neat. You also get enough parts to build a carrot, and also I think this might be some sort of daisy, which is quite neat as well. So if you're looking for something for Easter and you want to build something like this, this is definitely something I could recommend for younger kids. It's actually really nice. And going forward, I may actually rebuild this later as the cockatoo because I like that too. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.